Children, today we are going to write reference to the context for Lesson 1 Snake Trouble. Everyone, open your English book, fresh page, and write date in the margin on the left side. What is reference to the context, children? Yes, in the middle of the lesson, you will be having the lines as a reference and you will be having the questions related to those lines. You have to answer the questions by reading the lines given from the lesson. Okay, children? So, in the first line, write the heading as read these lines and answer the questions. Next to the heading, leave one line. First one, it's been a tiring day. I think I will go to sleep. Question related to that line. Who is the speaker? Question mark. Why are they tired? Question mark. Answer. Grandmother is the speaker because it had been a long and a tiring day. Full stop. After writing that answer, add leave one line and write second question. Mark as small b. Who is traveling with the speaker? Question mark. What do they do next? Question mark. Answer. The narrator and his grandfather are traveling with the speaker. Full stop. Grandmother stretches herself on the berth to rest while the narrator and his grandfather tug off the hamper to have their dinner. Full stop. After writing that answer, leave one line and mark number 2. Let us see the second reference related to the lesson. Don't let grandmother see him. She might think we brought him along on purpose. Question related to that line, mark as small a. Who is the speaker? Question mark. Who is he? Question mark. Grandfather is the speaker and he refers to the python. Full stop. After writing that answer, leave one line and write second question related to the second reference. Mark second question as small b. Why will grandmother think he was brought along on purpose? Question mark. Answer. Grandfather is worried that grandmother might think that grandfather had brought the python purposely in spite of grandmother's warning to leave the creature behind at home. Full stop. After writing that answer, leave one line and write number 3 in the next line. Let us see the third reference related to the lesson. It must have fallen out of the washroom window. First question related to the third reference, mark as small a. Who is the speaker? Question mark. What happens just as they speak? Question mark. Answer. Grandfather says these lines. Full stop. The train slowed down and came to a grinding halt. Full stop. After writing that answer, leave one line and mark second question as small b. What do the speaker do next? Question mark. Answer: grandfather and the narrator hurries to the engine driver to find out what the problem is and why the train had stopped suddenly. Full stop. After writing the answer, leave one line and write number 4. Let us see the fourth reference related to the lesson. Just leave it to us. Next, mark as small a for the first question. Who is the speaker? Question mark. What do they want the other person to leave? Question mark. Answer: grandfather says these lines. Full stop. They want the engine driver to leave the engine to them. Full stop. After writing the answer, leave one line and mark second question as small b. How does the speaker control the situation? Question mark. Answer: grandfather releases the brakes and sets the engine motion. Full stop. He starts to drive the engine himself. Full stop. Thank you, children.